Welcome to this tutorial on tips for the Uniswap interface. Uniswap is a popular decentralized exchange that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. To get the most out of Uniswap, it is essential to understand how to navigate its interface effectively. First, let's start with the basics. The Uniswap interface is divided into several sections, including the trade section, the liquidity section, and the settings section. The trade section is where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. The liquidity section is where you can provide liquidity to the platform and earn fees. And the settings section is where you can adjust your preferences and view your account information. To start trading on Uniswap, you will need to connect your Ethereum wallet to the platform. This can be done by clicking on the Connect Wallet button and selecting your wallet provider. Once your wallet is connected, you can navigate to the trade section and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. One of the key concepts to understand when using Uniswap is the concept of slippage. Slippage refers to the difference between the expected price of a trade and the actual price of the trade. To minimize slippage, it is essential to set a reasonable slippage tolerance, which can be done in the settings section. Another important concept to understand is the concept of liquidity pools. Liquidity pools are pools of funds that are locked in a smart contract and used to facilitate trading on the platform. To provide liquidity to Uniswap, you will need to navigate to the liquidity section and select the pool you want to provide liquidity to. When providing liquidity, it is essential to understand the concept of impermanent loss. Impermanent loss refers to the loss of value that can occur when providing liquidity to a pool. To minimize impermanent loss, it is essential to provide liquidity to pools with low volatility and to monitor your investments regularly. In terms of best practices, it is essential to always use a reasonable slippage tolerance, to monitor your investments regularly, and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. It is also essential to understand the fees associated with trading on Uniswap, which can be found in the settings section. In conclusion, the Uniswap interface can seem complex at first, but by understanding the key concepts and best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can navigate the platform with confidence. Remember to always use a reasonable slippage tolerance, to monitor your investments regularly, and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. By following these tips, you can get the most out of Uniswap and start trading cryptocurrencies like a pro.